Bush full on one time. I don't know if that hill climb will get better with rain. It might. But hey, who are we kidding? Why do we want it better? Do I mean easier by better? Probably. It's because I like that. I used to hit that hill climb like full tap, you know, like just ripping up it. And then that one cliff, dude. It used to be like flat, like that. You used to just freaking seat bounce that thing, dude, and you'd be able to get air time, dude. Like, wow. And you're on it and you land and just whoo, back on the gas, dude. Now it's like so messed up when you come up to it. There's such a deep rut, like right down the middle of it, and it's like, you know, you gotta hella slow down for it because you can't just rip through it because it might catch your peg, shoot you over the bars. So then you kind of come up sideways at it, hit the corner of it. Your momentum. And I think I just seen a trail in here. Holy shit, it was a trail. There's a big old log in the way. Go check it out. See if she'll stay running. Ah! Mother! That sucker poked me. See, this is low light, real dark, shady area. Not sure if the GoPro picks it up good or not. This can be moved. See what's up ahead. Real loose weeds though. What? Oh, they hella made you not go in here. Now you can still probably go over that, but that's gonna nail the skid plate. Oh shit. Oh yeah. It once was. Now it's overgrown and it just kind of shuts down up there. But you could also hang a right. Launch up that hill. That's pretty steep. It's basically a wall, not a hill. Well, we tried. Oh shit. Oh. Ooh, they put wire, dude. Look at that. I doubt this just was here randomly. Look at that. They crossed it. Somehow looped it around that branch, crossed it, trying to screw somebody. So nobody go up this trail, or actually, just in case somebody does. Where'd it go? Dude, it's so camouflage. I can't even see it no more. Oh, here it is. Just in case somebody does. I'm gonna put this up here. All right. You're welcome, guys. No. Anyways, we're gonna continue this vid in a bit. I'm gonna get a shot. That looks pretty sick. Peace. Alright guys, we're back way over here now after that little excursion we had. We're gonna hit this hill climb trail. I haven't been on it in a while. Oh, we went into neutral. Holy! We straight squidded this part, dude. I don't know, I got distracted with that rock. It was like a super sharp rock hanging out. And I didn't want it to catch like the sidewall of my tire. So I hella like was focused on not hitting it. Anyways, we're back moving. Oh, dude, I love it, dude. Whoa. Super torquing it. Dude, you want a nice little workout with your thighs, dude, go through that. You know what I mean? That will, could have kept going, but I already know it's that. Just go to the top. I think I could cut through right here. No, there's nothing right there. Anyway, we'll go this way. Like I said, going through that, you have to keep your pretty much your legs off the pegs like this. I can't even lift them up. So you don't catch your foot off the rut. And rip your freaking whatever it is. Rip your freaking knee, whatever's in your knee. I think your ACL or whatever. You can just catch it and be like, Keek! Yeah, that's where it would have come out of. Probably should have did that. Let's see. Go up there. Who's up there? I don't know. I don't really like going up there because it's pretty boring. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Be out here ripping.